This is the recent sell signal is about to hit TP. This is the strong buy signal, hit all the TPs, and this is the strong sell, hit all the TPs, strong buy, hit the TPs. You can see that I'm trading gold futures on 1 minute time frame, which is one of the hardest pair to trade. How do I get this win rate? Now I will teach you that. For this specific setup, I am using two Flux Charts premium indicators. Let's go to indicators tab and search for Flux Charts, and you will see SVX algo and the price action toolkit. And if you still don't have the Flux Charts premium, I am giving you the best discount ever. Use code BORSA to get the 20% off right now. Click both of them to add to your chart. After you add it, you will get something like this, but let's set it up beautifully. First thing, you want to go to SVX algo and you will change your trading style to day trader, and your trend length is the short term, the sensitivity is the 10. These are designed for the gold futures 1 minute. You can use it on the forex pairs, you can use it on the spot market like the GLD, whichever you want, but this works fire on the gold. Okay, so hit OK button, and now let's go to price action toolkit because we need some couple of confirmations. Because why? I love confirmations. Fair value gaps enabled, inversion fair value gaps enabled, order blocks and breaker blocks. These four is all you need, and rest of the settings is the pure optional like the trend lines, and you can enable the MTF highs and lows to find the liquidity levels to target, and that's basically everything. This is easy, guys. Okay, I want you to give your full focus on me right now. So now the setup is ready. Rules are quite simple. You got a strong buy signal from the SVX algo. What are the rules, Borsa? Okay, now let me type it here for you. Okay, the rules, very important. The first rule is you will get the signal. Okay, the plus sign is best. Second rule is FVG or IFG. And the third rule is the breaker block or the order block. The fourth one is optional, but it is the cloud. If it is red, it's a bearish. If it's blue, it's a bullish. Easy as it is. So let's see in this scenario, what do we have? It's quite simple. After you get the signal, you will check one. And the second is you need to get at least 3 rules is matching here to go in a long position right now. If you get 4, you just go with it. IFG, check. Okay, this is the first one. The breaker block is check. And you can see that we got also the blue cloud is check. So you got the 4 rules is getting matched. All you need to do is just hit the buy button here, and I will just go with the 5 contracts. We'll write my trade until I get this full TP over here. It is quite easy. Now for the stop loss, Borsa, what we're gonna use as a stop loss, you can use couple of different things, and my favorite one is spot one fair value gap like this, and use this as a stop loss. What do you mean? This is a golden tip. Okay, so let's say the price came into here and touch this. You don't close your position. You will wait until this FVG returns into IFG, which is the inversion fair value gaps. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I highly suggest you go and watch my free ultimate bootcamp available on the YouTube. Okay, I'm attaching here. You have to watch that. It's free. So now the next thing is we will just roll the market and see. We can get stopped out. It's completely fine. But in my research, what I see is we got at least 70% win rate on gold on 1 minute time frame. Now we have 175 ticks and we already smashed the first TP. You can get partial, but my favorite partial zone is somewhere between the first TP and the second TP. Okay, so I'm just waiting patiently, and let's see, it's pushing higher. Now this is the place where I want to get 2 contracts off, and then I will just write my rest of the position and enjoy my rest of the day. Currently this trade is running on nearly 500 ticks. What you want to do, you will just trail your stop loss. You can use this trend line, you can use these imbalances like this, the fair value gap, the IFG, whichever you want. I will just use that one because it's just under the TP. Okay, it's just easy. And now our current PNL is around like a $16,000 if we just hit the full TP over here. Let's see. And boom, we just hit the full TP. We made $21,000 with the strong buy signals using 5 contracts. You can trade with 1. And that scenario, you will make somewhere between 4 to 5. You can go 2. You can make like a 10 grand, which is quite good, right? Is it hard? No. Am I cherry picking? No. Let's go to the real-time data because I love to prove that to you guys, okay? So let's see. We just close the replay mode and reset chart view, and you can see that this was the trade we've been dealing with. This is the closest signal. You can see it's the strong sell, strong buy, and the sell, the strong buy, the sell. This gets stopped out, but like I said, it has 75% win rate, more or less, depending on the day. But the thing here is, this is beautiful, guys. The gold futures, the 1 minute time frame, ready to serve you. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching my other Flux Charts videos here. And until the next time, see you soon.